Hello everybody, how are you doing? Here we meet again with another lesson. I'm Aman, the teacher from St. Joseph Pass College, and this live session is conducted by the English unit of Chilao Zonal Education Office. Shall we sing a song first? Sing the song after me. This is a very famous song. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. That is a Christmas song. You know that one very well. Have you enjoyed with me? Okay. Today, we are going to start our new lesson. Unit 5, our festivals. Unit 5, our festivals. Take out your pupils' books and turn to page number 42. Page number 42 in your pupils' book. Lesson 1. Now, Christmas is a festival. Okay. Here you can see a Christmas tree with lots of decorations. See? Stars, Santas, bells, poles, many colors. Here also you can see the decorations. Deer, snow, balls, like that. Okay. Who comes to give you presents in Christmas? Santa. Very good. Santa. Santa comes with lots of presents. Do you like presents? Yes, very much. So, he comes in the sky, yes, with deer, yes, reindeer, yes, and you love Santas. At night, they keep presents under your Christmas trees. Okay. Now we know one festival, Christmas. Christmas. What is it? Christmas. Repeat after me. Christmas. Okay, there are many more other festivals. Let's talk about them one by one. Okay? How do we wish in Christmas? See, Merry Christmas. Here also you can see Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Repeat after me. Merry Christmas. Okay. Another festival. Another festival. Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Yes. Here you can see some pictures of Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Yes. We worship our parents. Yes. Here milk rice. Sinhala and Tamil New Year. What do we cook? Milk rice for Sinhala and Tamil New Year. We celebrated it in April, 2 months ago. Can you remember? Yes, we prepare atirasa, aluwa, akkala, keum, lots of sweet meats for Sinhala and Tamil New Year. How do we wish? Happy New Year. Repeat after me. Happy New Year. Okay, now you know 2 festivals. Another one. Yes, Deepavali. Deepavali. That is another festival. See, lots of oil lamps here, and they go to Kovil and they make kolatam using colored rice, colored sand and colored coconuts. Yes. And they are wearing saris with white flowers. Yes, they celebrate it marvelously. Okay, Deepavali. How do we wish? Happy Deepavali. Repeat after me. Happy Deepavali. Okay. Another festival. Muslim people celebrate Ramadan. Yes, Ramadan. Ramadan. That is another festival. Yes, I think it was celebrated in last month, in May, this year. It depends. It changes according to the moon. They look at the moon and celebrate that festival. So in this year, it was in May. Okay. They make biryani. What else? They make Vattalappan. Very tasty. And Faluda. Yes. Muslim people celebrate Ramadan. Another festival. Vesak. We celebrated last month. Vesak. Yes. We light our houses with lanterns, Vesak lanterns and buckets. Very good. Yes. Here also you can see. In your books, see Vesak. Here we go to temple, but unfortunately this year we couldn't go to temples because of coronavirus. Yes, last year we celebrated, but this year we couldn't. Yes, we celebrated Vesak at home with our family members. That's all. Yes. Another festival. In this month, you have Poson festival. You make pandols and you give dansels, all that. This year you can't, but normally we do those things for Poson. Poson is another festival. Okay. Another one. Next month we have Asala festival. Asala. Yes, Asala Perahera. You know that very well. Asala Perahera. Okay. Another one. Famous with Christians. Good Friday. Good Friday. Okay. Good Friday. They celebrated it in April. Yes. Then Easter Sunday. Yes, with eggs and all that, with colored eggs. Christians celebrate Easter. Okay, what about this one? Yes, Independence Day. Independence Day. Independence Day. Or National Day. We celebrate it in February. In February, yes. Independence Day. And also May Day. May Day. 1st of May, we celebrated it. May Day. Another one, Thai Pongal. Thai Pongal, yes. Tamil people worship cows and bulls because they gave them good harvest. Yes, they celebrate Thai Pongal. They make pongal rice, very tasty. They put cashew nuts, plums, honey, and they make laddu, their special laddu, yes, to celebrate these festivals. Okay, now I'm going to show you a list of festivals. You can see here. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to write them down. First, write the topic festivals and write these 12 festivals in your writing books. Shall we repeat them one by one? Sinhala and Tamil New Year, Christmas, Deepavali, Ramasan, Vesak, Poson, Asala, Good Friday, Easter, Independence Day, May Day and Thai Pongal. Okay, time's up. Now I am going to give you a homework. You need to paste pictures of these festivals like this. Here I have pasted pictures for Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Like that. Here for Christmas I have pasted pictures for Christmas and also for Deepavali. And for Independence Day. Like that you need to paste pictures. Okay. Now we are going to see the months we celebrate these festivals. Okay, look at here. We need to use the preposition in for the months. Preposition in. Okay, let's read them. Sinhala and Tamil New Year is in April. Number 2. Christmas is in December. Number 3. Deepavali is in October or November. Number 4. Vesak is in May. Number 5. Poson is in June. Number 6. Asala is in July. Number 7. Good Friday is in April. Number 8. Thai Pongal is in January. Independence Day is in February. Ramazan is in May in 2021. I will give you 5 minutes to copy these sentences. Okay. Now we have learnt festivals and also the months we celebrate them. Okay. Now take out your workbooks and turn to page number 52. There you can see an activity that is very easy. You need to match the pictures in this side to the festivals in this side. Okay, I have done one. You can see the first one is Vesak. Vesak, like this. Okay, go to the next page. Lesson 2. Here you can see jumbled letters in the balloons. You need to find out what the festival is. Okay, number 1, I have written it, Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Just like that, try to write these all. In this green balloon, there are some festivals inside the colored balloons. And here you need to match the pictures with the people. Those activities are very easy. Try to do them very nicely and neatly. I have given you 3 homework. Okay. Sing the song. Practice it. Remember the festivals, the spellings and the names, and try to remember the months. See you again with another lesson. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Have a nice day. God bless you.